In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new issue types in Jira as a Jira admin. This task is fundamental for tailoring Jira to meet your project's specific needs, and today I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the top right corner of your Jira dashboard, where you'll see the settings icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose the Issues option. This selection will lead you into a more focused area of Jira dedicated to issue-related configurations. Once you've entered the Issues section, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll notice a subsection labeled Issue Types. Click on this to display the current list of issue types configured for your system. Now, to introduce a new type, look towards the screen's top right corner for the Add Issue Type button. Give it a click and you'll see a pop-up window where you'll input the details of your new issue type. In this window, you'll first need to provide a name for your new issue type. It could be anything relevant to your project like bug report or customer request. After naming your new issue type, you have the option to add a description, though this is entirely up to you. While it's not mandatory, a well-crafted description can provide clarity for your team, making sure everyone's on the same page about what this issue type represents. Next up is selecting the type, which determines how the issue can be utilized. You'll be faced with two choices: a standard issue type, which is suited for regular tasks, bugs, or stories, and a subtask issue type designed specifically for breaking down larger tasks into manageable components. Choose the one that fits your requirements and then click the Add button to finalize the creation of your new issue type. With your new issue type created, you'll next want to ensure it's available in your project. Head back to the issue settings and find the issue type schemes. These schemes are essentially templates that control which issue types are available for your projects. Locate the particular scheme in use for your project and look to the right hand side for three dots. Clicking them provides an edit option, so go ahead and select it. In the editing screen, you'll see a list of available issue types on one side and issue types for current scheme on the other. What you want to do now is simply drag and drop your newly created issue type from the available issue types column over to the issue types for current scheme column. This action makes the new issue type accessible within the projects linked to this scheme. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply these changes. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've successfully added and configured a new issue type in Jira, ready for use in your project environments. This customization capability is what makes Jira a powerful tool for project management. Thanks for watching and happy administering.